Few days ago, I bought these strap connectors for my Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, and these are very helpful. Here's why. If we connect random straps on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it always remains gaps on the both of the sides. As you can see, if you connect this, there always remains gaps. These connectors helps to fill up the gaps. I can show you by connecting my straps. I just applied a random 20mm straps on my Galaxy Watch. As you can see, there is no gaps left behind. Yes. It just connected to the watch like a strap, and then the strap get attached with the connectors itself. These strap connectors just cost $3 to $5, so I can definitely recommend it to you and tell you just go for it.